man, greetings, SirPlus here. As you can see, decked out in my San Diego colors. Final day of champs, you know. Normally we would have done champs and make it wholly for nice. But you know, COVID. So over there, I got to an epic tournament, you know. And as usual, I run late. There I try to get some guests. Let's get some guests. Yes man, we put on with Clark's boat and we move out, you know. And them guest price there. Can't see that? Yeah. So we'll talk again. Yeah. Second update. So you know them always tell us to left out of your yard early. Because you never know what can happen. Jesus. Watch out. What is this? What is all of this? Where all of that traffic here for? Eh? What all of this for? I can't even see it good yet. So, show you properly. You see, I could understand when champs are keep and everybody are try to reach a champs, but there should be no people in the stands at champs this year. No spectators. So what's all of this? Oh, it's been a while since I've been on this road. Seems like they're resurfacing. Looks nice and pretty. So it's dark. Yep. Looks like newly paved asphalt. But regardless, man. Gosh. My camera's out of focus. Sorry about that. Yeah. Yeah, that sign says slow, like we have a choice. We don't have a choice. Slow is the only speed we are going today. Yep, this is the cause of it. There's that paving machine all the way down there. I always want to drive one of them, man. Yup, repaving. Really need a dash cam. You know, I have a birthday coming up soon. Seems like perfect time to start saying I need a dash cam. Do it. Do it. We'll pay a whole lot of money for it all, so yeah, spend it and give a good road, yeah man. Alright. Sign says end of road work. So people drive up now. Alright people, soon update you. Road have to take on you now. I know what this might look like. But trust me, I am a responsible driver who does not speeding, eh? Nice. Alright, we're late. We're here. Yes, we're here. Oh, you don't know, safety first, cause you don't know. Alright. Temperature good? Alright. Sanitizer now, Alright, give thugs, Alright, blessings. Yes, it feels good to be back on familiar territory. The place changed up a little bit. Definitely. There wasn't a koi pond when I was here. Yes, this is very calming. I think I'm gonna try to have one at San Diego. Yeah, San Diego, this is a great idea. I want to follow Andrews, Students could come right here when they're having a really stressful time and de-stress. Because you can't be angry if you're watching koi and other type of. But I assume this would be their koi. Pardon me if I'm uncivilized for a bit. Feel free to correct me if you know what type of fish these are. Never claim to be an expert in fish. Yeah, this is very nice. Very nice. Yes. The Magic Dark Shore Mall. This was here, but it has gone through 2 changes. Yeah. Verse. These letters are now gonna be probably in reverse. But yeah, you get it. We're in the building, San Andrew High. For an epic day. Epic tournament about to happen. Yeah. Did I already mention that I used to teach here? I taught social studies and geography here for about 2 years. 05 and 06, and then I went to San Diego to teach in 07. Yeah, so I've been around. Yeah, 04 I was at Meadowbrook too. Yeah, we're dropping the fun facts today. Yeah, still a lot of fond memories here. Very slow. Topic 2. You can win basketball and these sports. To help us feel as if terang school now feel moving. Yeah, perfect segue. Got very beautiful ref right here. Yeah. Whoa, yo, just dropped some sauce right here. We need like a mantle down to pick up that sauce a while ago, yeah. Alright, she's setting up. Yeah, man, officially update see. Yeah. Now the time. So what if I'm gonna need some music to dodge to. Yeah. Yeah. Swear to somebody walking that kind of a while ago. That's it. That's it.
Okay, so production. Alright, so I'm gonna start.
down 2-1. 2-1. Alright, good block, youth. Good block, good technique, good technique. Yeah, man. Where you going? Where you going? Alright. Grab a ball and hunt them down. Grab a ball and hunt them down. She needs balls. Any takers? That's it. Me like it. Me like it. Me like that fella. Alright. Where you going with that? Where you going with that? I call the court slippery. Everybody sees the court slippery, right? Hear this. Yeah. Player 1.
How old are you?
A while ago, you just said the third time's the charm. I'm gonna say I'm gonna win this time, but I'm gonna retire. I'm gonna retire. I'm gonna show you why I'm gonna retire. Cause I see Scotty a fire some ball, you know. And I say, yo, Scotty a move strong. Yeah, man, Scotty a fire some ball. Oh, Scotty did a fire some ball, and I say, yo, why man a move so strong? But you know what make me gonna retire? You know what make me gonna retire? Look who just walked through the gate. Look who just walked through the gate. Yo, you know what them man in a fling a dodgeball after your brother. Or if the dodgeball miss it, I'll go away and come back like a boomerang. Yo, the man them draft the Justice League over here. No sir. No sir. No man, Douggie, no man. My God, people. Yo, look a bit. My God. No sir. No sir. Whole like Marvel Universe man them draft for a while ago, you know. You understand? All it left of the Iron Man said, we have a Hulk. Yeah, all it left of the Iron Man said, we have a Hulk. That one day was a violation, fam. That one day was a violation, fam. Somebody cue the UK drill. That one is a violation, fam. Oh yeah, hydration time. I ain't get none of them then. Blessings, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man. Thank you, Mackenzie. Yeah, for the Torrid. Yeah. No, Torrid. It's a Torrid. Yeah, this is Torrid, you know? We're not really, yeah. To the other part there. Front part there. Torrid. That the man said, KFC if you a shout out. No shout out without KFC. My viewers, them are going to be so happy. Them get about 20 minutes of Daniel but a while ago. And I tell you, I'm not edit it out, you know. Yeah, I'm supposed to get like 20,000 new followers. So, I'm going to beat you again. It's alright.
Third time's the charm.
Yes, man. That me I talk about. That me I talk about. Watch. Matrix, mega matrix. Yeah, man. You're right to stutter and choke up right now. Because you know I'm going to be bringing the hurt. I'm going to bring it. Yeah. Bono for. And the revenge, you know. Remember say you out me first time, you know.
You know what's funny? It's right as I tell him my name. Yeah, man. SirPlus. I see it.
Yeah. Code slippery.
When you drop, I'm just like, that's my freeze.
Sure.
And then that's another man. Anticipate.
Oh my gosh, man. Alright, as I say, the third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. Now, I go bring out my inner Saiyan and yeah, watch. Me now out this time. Me now out this time. Remember me tell you. Watch. Me now out this time. Yeah, so all that optimism apparently was short-lived, unfortunately. I mean, they had a Hulk. And look at plays like this from Super Scotty. Man, we had no choice in the matter and we lost again. But if you want to see more clips of us playing, you can watch it on Daniel's channel. You know, MCKNZ, it's right there. Yeah, watch it on Daniel's channel. I'm just giving kind of a vlog behind the scenes look at what we did throughout the day from my point of view. Alright? So everybody I take water break and all these things. So because I'm an athlete, you know what I mean, I don't really need to hydrate like that, you know what I mean. But everybody say YaadMan a rest. You understand? You understand? I don't really need them only for water business right now. Truth be told, you know what I mean, one Scotty out me very early in the game, so I didn't have a lot of time for rest on the side still, but we not watch that. We not talk about that. Understand? Just know say, this I want to name the revenge. You understand?
It's between alcohol and alcohol.
Right. Yeah.
Alcohol. Like isopropyl. Alcohol.
You see me? What are you talking about?
99% the one way in your nose.
When rain, you catch Joe.
First of all, we in Jamaica, we don't do anything now.
No, brother.
Head top, you see me? You just see it and then you smell it and then sit there.
It's about head top.
Alcohol.
So which one is the rain?
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Yeah, man, that's it.
But alcohol is one way on your chest. Understood.
First of all, no.
Yeah, no, hold on.
Disrespectful. This is alcohol for drink.
Alcohol for drink.
Anyhow, I'm not put rain or no name on my chest here.
No man, not a regular box.
If I see you with alcohol, I will call it surgery. I'm going to your girlfriend.
She's supposed to have at least 4.
No, man, I just have
2, 3. No, if your mother bakes, I'm trying to say like you know that rain beer come with the handle, it come with like a.
Oh yeah, the plastic bottle one.
I'm trying to say like
Yeah, the plastic bottle one is
in
one
your
you don't
house
cook
you're supposed to have more than one. You would have did have that big bottle, so when you're sick now, that would have go for your head, that would have go for your
First of
head.
all, that's
And that going to the
still have a rubbing
and
alcohol.
then you would have did have the one where you drink. Because it's about
rubbing alcohol.
yeah, because the thing is
Alcohol.
because the bottle, if you don't seal it properly, the potency of the alcohol, so that's why you'd have more than one bottle for all the things.
No, me just
Well,
have
see,
one
because my people,
alcohol.
them Adventists, them lie about it, you see.
No, but you see, my people them come from country. So you have a buckle where you throw up on the ground when you go to funeral. You have a buckle where you drink from. You have a buckle where you throw it. Yes. You have a 9-night and so. Oh no. We're not like a picnic. No.
Alright, grandma.
Come talk to them about country.
Fire bomb pork.
Let's not have that discussion.
What, Mr. YaadMan? What, Mr. YaadMan? You're not a what?
I'm not a Rasta, you know.
I'm going to go on a study.
But she, look you know, sheeny and pork, you know. Sheeny and pork, you know. You can't tell me nothing. Sheeny and pork, you know.
I'm not ashamed.
See that?
No, but fair Rasta have red on them something night, so.
And mine are brown, so. Well, a son cause is still.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
That's a
What you trying to say?
prerequisite to be with me. If you
It's a
don't
deal
import, you
breaker for her. If you do it.
Wow.
Sorry.
Yo, subtitles. If you don't eat pork.
You know what you like, you know what you can say. That's it.
Whoa. Whoa, what are they? How you enable subtitles when I camera?
Some things are just
I mean, I respect that.
So vegan is completely out of the picture.
Wait, so a while ago, YaadMan, you accept that?
Babe, I don't want no
I respect that.
Oh, I think you say you accept.
No. You eat pork? Okay. Get with him. Just like a
In his defense, his jerk chicken is the best.
This is the lineup for the Class 1 4x4 100 meter race at Champs 2021. In lane number 1, we have Mufasa from Envid Allen. Lane number 2, we have Chadwick Boseman.
Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
So, if you were watching the race and you thought, you'd have realized, say, me never start. You understand? There was some movement beside me, and I kind of fast start, and then everybody just run and. If you know anything about me, you know so that vex me to my core. Because I really want to give them some competition, because I'm sure in myself so I wouldn't come last. Oh boy, but it done gone bad already. But anyways, Douggie, you know, the Hulk, say, you would give me a chance, you would race me. And the man will give me a jump. This is how that went.
Alright guys, ready up? Alright?
But think I rapping.
Hold on your mark,
Very wordy.
get set, go!
And not to mention the patrol then.
Don't do that! Don't do that! Don't do that! Don't do that! What jump? Don't do that! Yeah, and that's all that's all. You know that story about that motorcycle that hair might be? That's it, you know,
Officially, I always.
yeah, that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to respect it.
Serious about the letter. What's up? Serious about the letter, about the yard, and the patrol.
You're going like it to reach nowhere. You know somebody personally in the OPM?
Well, to be honest, you know, we live on the road, we have to say that. I hope I can. I want to pass the beer. I don't want to hear the stuff.
Oh, so this is your record? Alright, this is your record? Yeah. So me have footage. Yeah. So I drop this in my Google Classroom. To all our students and will feel like so they can run left it. Run left a Hulk.
The shirts I've ever seen is the USDJND here.
Yeah.
Meaning, if you look at the US dollar versus Jamaican dollar,
Oh, yeah man.
so that now come back down.
Better.
It's ridiculous.
Hero.
Parabolic.
Exponential. Hey.
Yeah, it's photosynthesis.
Extemporaneous.
Yeah.
Come on,
Who this?
wanna say a big word here. Big word challenge. Big fancy word challenge.
Big word challenge.
Yeah, big word challenge.
Exponential.
Fluxy nasty nearly for purification.
Let me get this specific.
Passing the phone Jamaican edition. I'm passing the phone to the oldest person on the court.
Yo, why you have to do that? Alright, now pass the phone to the man who have muscles on top of some more muscles.
So I'm going to pass the phone to the dirtiest person here. Them not bathed in a weeks. Them very unclean.
Passing the phone to the only Rastaman in Jamaica where love eat and...
I'm passing my phone to the best kept locks. Here. No, I'm myself. Give me an answer. Fuck you feel like?
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it. And if you do, just have it in the GC press.
Daniel. Sorry, there's something enough to call Daniel because this is you and Daniel. MCKNZ, yeah. I just like to thank you from the base of my heart, yeah. A long time I not go out and them something there. Yeah man, I care about that man. I care about. Yeah, sorry, we were cut off a while ago. I was giving thanks to MCKNZ for making me be able to come out and enjoy myself. A long time I enjoy myself them way there. Because guess what? COVID have we lock up in our house. I don't really want my kids to see this, I don't want my wife to see this because I know so I left the kids them at home to come play ball. You understand? In my defense, Mia had a pep class, so she couldn't come. Yeah man, thanks again now.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.